What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. We got another ice fishing banger for you. We're gonna dive right into the video, so stay tuned. There we go. It's gotta be a crappie. Big old bluegill. What's this doing suspended like that? Huh? What are you doing suspended? It's not a bad one. Bluegill thing is messed up. I would have sworn that was a crappie because he was suspended, but nope, bluegill. Very bad. A lot of freaking people coming out here now. I was the first one out here. I'm gonna tip up. It's running good. Nice crappie. Hell yeah. That thing was ripping out of there. It's a pretty good one though. Nuts. Not bad. Could eat him. I'm gonna let him go. Later, bud. Okay, that was cool. Can't believe how much line he was ripping out. Well, I made it out to this thing. The ice is pretty good. The spillway's right there. I can see running water going over the top of it. Sketches me out. This seems pretty damn safe though. That's it. I've only caught one so far. Ice is still pretty thick over there actually. Oh, tip up. When that happened? It's not spinning. Got him. I think I got him. Crappie. There we go. That guy choked it. I need the forceps. Yeah, it's the second crappie on the tip up. Oh yeah. It's a lot smaller though. Gotta turn around, that tip up was up. Nicked him a little bit. I think he'll be okay. Later, buddy. Maybe. There he goes. Well, that sucks. I just barely nicked his gill and he don't want to swim off, so I guess I'm keeping him. A little smaller than I'd really want to keep. That sucks. Well, we're keeping this one because he's not I like barely nicked his gills and he's not swimming off. I guess we're gonna keep him because he's dead. He's gonna die anyway. Not terrible, I guess. I'll smaller than them other ones though, huh? If you get any big bluegill, let me know. We'll probably end up keeping them. Yeah, if you get any big bluegill or any crappie that size or bigger, let me know. Huh? Because I'm going to keep him now because I got to keep him. Well, there ought to be more crappie down there. If I get any bigger ones, I'm going to keep them now since I got to keep that guy. I hate killing fish like that. This tip up was not up very long. He choked it though. I barely nicked him. It's the only problem with tip ups. That happens sometimes. But yeah, gill barely was nicked, but I don't know. He just wasn't going to make it. Be dinner, I suppose. Fishing right next to this thing. It's strange. Because I can't tell. This is 25 foot here, but there's a big obstacle in the way, which I'm imagining is like the chain for this thing. Can't seem to get past it. Is that an auger doll, guys? That little doll? I'll drill some for you if you just want point. Saw you guys struggling a little bit.
It wasn't too bad.
Yep. You want any more? Or?
You want any more?
If you don't mind.
Yeah, good. I know how bad that can suck, especially when the ice is thick like it.
Those blades need sharpening badly.
of those cost? I just got the little adapter, and then the drill's like $200, but this was only like 70 bucks.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, I just got a little bluegill. Nothing exciting.
I'm gonna get hungry.
I don't care.
I wanna go hang out at the house.
Eat the new one. I gotta catch a couple more fish. Got him. We got it. Bluegill. I'm sure those are gonna be crappie. Bunch of suspended gills right here. Just hoping they were crappie. Man, they were freaking pounding it now. There he is. That one drilled it. Little gill. A little bigger. It's 3 out of this hole now. Got him. Got him. Man, they're all like this size though. How big one's at? Got him. Was decent. Crappie. Big crappie. I'm gonna keep it because we already got that one. I normally wouldn't keep them, but we already got one that died. That's a good size one. Bang. See? See, babe? Gotta be patient, right? Things start happening.
Yeah.
Give it a kiss. That one there is a better size one. I normally wouldn't even keep him, but I'm already keeping that one because he died. Alright, I gotta put another mini down. You're supposed to yell tip up, babe.
I was looking over and I was thinking about it.
Go jig that hole. There's more fish down there. I should have kept that big one earlier. Told you I was gonna catch one on this one. Alright. Right before dark, bite picked up a little bit. This guy here's not bad. I should have kept that Mondo that I caught earlier though. Wasn't planning on keeping anything. But then this guy freaking barely got nicked. Now I got to. Got 2 there. I'd like to get 2 more. Oh, I got a couple thinking about it. That feels good. That feels good, babe. What we got here? Be a crappie. Be a crappie. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Now we need like one more. Where'd he come from? Man, I don't really like keeping these guys, but like once you keep a couple, you gotta keep it up for a meal. He's not bad. I'll keep him too. That's 3. I really need one more, but I think I can manage with that. Man, that guy's smacked. There's more there. This day turned around in the last freaking like 40 minutes pretty much of the entire day. I hate that I didn't keep that big one. Got him. It's a crappie. It's a crappie. We're gonna have crappie for dinner. Oh, he's too little. No. No, I can't fillet him. He's tiny. Man. I know, he's a little guy. He's a little squeaker. How little he is. Crappie bite. Turning on though. Man, he hit good too. I thought that was gonna be another good one.